Yo, what's up? This is Mita and we have today tutorial for dancing with the threads, the threading technique. Let's go. Okay, before we're gonna move to the practice, we're gonna do one thing. We're gonna understand the concept and the idea of the threading technique. So, we have the thread, we building the thread with any parts of our body, the thread. And we have the needle, 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 needle. So, if we do this concept, the idea that we build the thread and we go with the needle, we build the thread and we go with the needle, and etc. etc. So, we're taking and thinking about the two parts, build and go with the needle. So with this concept, with this idea, we're gonna move to the practice. We're gonna practice, and for the practice, we have to create the routine using this idea. So the first step, you're gonna move with me, and then we will see how we can use it in a freestyle. We have one, I'm creating the thread. Two, I'm gonna go with the needle. One, creating the thread. Go with the needle. One, creating the thread. And here I'm gonna do some creative decisions like catch my head and go like my head is the needle. And I go like this, whop, and the last one is gonna be with the leg, whoa. So that's it. And again, let's move. Is like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Bam. Let's go with the music, with this routine. We don't hurry up. We're taking our time to feel comfortable, to feel everything in our body, the positions, etc., etc. Let's go. After we finish the routine and the practice with the routine, we're gonna take all the things, all the variations from the routine. We're gonna take all our ideas from our head and mix it all together and creating the freestyle. And don't forget, in the freestyle, first of all, is the music. So we have the music, we have the threading concept, and ta-da! We're gonna mix it all together and just enjoy all the moment. Peace, and check what I have for you as an example.